Hi, so I started streaming to Twitch, and it's actually been a lot of fun. We're talking about websites, we're talking about search engine optimization, talking about paid traffic, and like some of the weird stuff that Google's doing. And this is a little excerpt of one of the conversations that we had just recently. Hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, I think the craziest thing I've ever done is either going to be a tie. Well, it's a tie. It's either going to be the Tinder profile that we set up and ranked for my little brother so he could find himself a girlfriend, which hasn't worked. Or it would be the time I got YouTube to recommend me as the god of SEO. So the way that works is that YouTube search, so like whenever you type something into the search bar, right? And what it does is it will actually tell you which, oh no, Myung died. It ranks those recommendations on search traffic, and so because it's ranked on search traffic, that means it can be manipulated. So what I did is I went and I got just a bot, right? And it ran a script, and basically it would. So whenever you search for something in YouTube, then it gives you a unique URL, right? It's like it'll be like youtube.com/search, whatever, and so the more often that URL gets pulled up, then the more it thinks that that keyword is being searched for. So what I did is I told all these little robots to go and search for that keyword like 1,000 times, and the keyword was Triston Goodwin, SEO God. And so what happens is YouTube sees all this traffic for the specific keyword, and they think, oh, there is this is what people are searching for. And so if you typed in Triston Goodwin, then it would automatically put on there, like tag to the end, SEO God. And so it's a lot of fun. And that's one of the keywords I actually need to go rank for is God at SEO, because I'm already Emperor of SEO. I'm already the best SEO all the time in space, best SEO in the universe, and sexiest SEO. I'm also the Emperor of SEO. I got a featured snippet for that one. That was pretty fun. But I still need to get SEO God. So that's next up on my list. Now, there are some useful and practical applications for something like that. So for example, say you have, I don't know, a product that you are reviewing on a YouTube channel, for example, right? For like an affiliate. So what you can do is you can take that same setup and you can say, okay, TV reviews, and then, or like, I've got a Hitachi monitor here, right? And that's what I was using. That's what I use for my computer, obviously. I actually made a review of it a long time ago. And so if I were to put something like Hitachi TV reviews Triston Goodwin, well, when people see that, they're going to think, okay, that's, like an instant boost of authority. They're going to think, okay, lots of people see this. YouTube's recommending that I watch it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll actually be able to generate, or may not necessarily generate, but you'll be able to, what's the right word for that? Basically, you can create search traffic for a keyword by recommending it to people, and you can actually get more traffic that way. And since it's a keyword that you already control because it's your brand, like it's your name, then you can get all that traffic basically for free just by playing with the robots a little bit. And I've actually done this a couple of times. So for example, we've got one client who does video game reviews on Twitch and on YouTube. And so what we did is we took the game, and I forget the name of the game now, but it was the name of the game, review, and then the name of the YouTuber. And it actually, we managed to take the channel. It was a little channel at the time. I think now he's up to like 35,000 subscribers. And I forget how many people he has on Twitch, but he's making bank. And we were able to generate that traffic, and we can actually see that popping up in the YouTube analytics. And because we kind of already have that keyword as part of the keyword that's being searched for, and we already have a really high retention and everything else, then we actually started ranking just for the name of the game, which is pretty cool. And like, this isn't something new. I've been doing that, not necessarily with the bots, but been doing that since back in the Weebly days. I used to rank number 1 in YouTube for Weebly back when that was a thing. So it can definitely be done.